Good afternoon all. Karthiki here. This training is live stream on YouTube also. So if you want for further reference, you can just note it down the YouTube link which was shared in the chat box.
సార్ క్యాలెండర్ రిలీజ్ చేద్దామని వచ్చింది
మన దగ్గర.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Hello. Good afternoon all. I am Dr. Raghunandan, Dean Veterinary University.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, can we start or wait for a couple of minutes?
Yeah, that is. Where is Sudeep? Hello, Sudeep.
Sudeep sir not joined, sir.
Okay.
Rama is joined from Sudeep sir account.
Okay, okay.
Rama is here.
Okay, okay. So you will continue the meeting.
Yes, sir. I'll give the training, and for question answer part, Rama will be there.
Okay, okay, okay.
Setting.
So before that, I will. So from Veterinary College, Rajendra Nagar, how many are there? Rajendra Nagar.
Sir.
This is the important meeting, and all the associate deans must be available in the meeting.
Sir,
and along with associate deans, all the master trainers also must be available in the meeting. I'll give you a brief introduction about this, because for the last 1 year we have been saying AMS, but we are not able to adopt it to full extent. And every time we are starting to some please mute your phones, please mute your Zoom, all of you. So that is why again we requested NAHEP to conduct a fresh workshop or whatever it may be, and they agreed and they started today's meeting. And see, some of the staff members already are in the meeting are also new to the AMS system, and to my knowledge, I think we are at the beginning only. We have not made any big beginning. So I request the NAM staff to give us from the beginning. You detail us about the AMS and what we have to do actually, and how it will end. And there are, and last time also 1.5 years back it was started and some beginning was made, but every time there are some problems and again we are leaving it. And this time let us take a decision not to leave it, continue the program. If it is not useful, then only we will leave it. Otherwise, we will enter into the AMS system. Our university now we have taken a decision, a firm decision to enter into the AMS system. So, you all to attend the meeting and also organizers to train us for so that we will understand and we will implement it. Some of the staff members already attended several programs in this, and some have not attended anything. So keeping this in view, think that it is a beginning only, and let us start afresh. I think our staff from all the colleges, from Rajendra Nagar, how many are there?
So there are total 34 participants.
Okay. And from Korutla? Madhurao? Dasar Srinivas?
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Dr. Satyanarayana, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Murthy, sir.
Mamnor? From Mamnor?
3 are there.
3 are there.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Good
Okay,
afternoon.
right. Good afternoon. And from Pebber, Fisheries College Pebber?
Sir, good afternoon, sir. From Pebber, we are 6 people, sir.
Okay.
6 people have joined, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. From Commodity, Data Technology Commodity?
Sir, 3 members, sir.
3 members. Okay. In my view, quantity of the number of staff attending is not important. How many are grasping it, and again implement is important. So now, I request now Karthik Adke, please you continue.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving the introduction about the AMS. So yes, I'm taking it from the very basic level. So every member, staff member, every official will be aware of the system from the scratch to the in detail. So I'm sharing my screen now to give you the presentation on the AMS. Is my screen visible, Prabhat?
Yes, your screen is visible, Karthiki.
It's visible.
Okay. Yeah. If any problem in voice or something in visibility, just let me know. Okay. We'll start the today's training. In today's training, I'll get through about AMS dashboard, AMS modules, different user roles and features and functionality available in the AMS. AMS process flow as well as faculty level, student level process flow. And just making aware a new modules introduced in the AMS, that is attendance module, and one new feature which was introduced for the AMS, that is online payment gateway integration. Also get in focus about the Ams Help Desk system, which will help the users to track their queries status and go through in the AMS easily. Resources and quick help videos available, which will help to use the AMS in efficient manner. So moving ahead, you are already listening about the AMS. It has been customized by the NHEP Component 2 project team at ICAR ISRI for the implementation at the various agricultural university levels. It is a web-enabled system for management of all the academic related activities of the university. And it has been designed in a particular modular approach with inbuilt workflows, which makes us transparent, more user-friendly, less error-prone, with efficient and secure environment. It is easy to customize. So we had created AMS as a basic module. You can say a basic system, not module, it's a basic system. And it is customized as per the university need. So, for example, in some of the university follows the yearly pattern, some university follows the summer pattern. That is also customizable in the AMS very easily. And it have different types of MIS reporting readily available, and also the dashboard available. This AMS dashboard we have, which it is available at this link. Link is provided in the PPT. I'll share this PPT after our training for more reference. So as of now, we have 51 university onboarded with 5 and 6 colleges, institutes, and as of now, 58 K plus students registered in the system, and 10,000 K plus faculties registered. We have total registered user up to 78,000 plus. So as you are already aware about it, it's scattered, AMS caters to the requirement of dean, registrar, professor, head, guide, faculty, teacher, students as administrators and officials for performing their assigned tasks related to academic processes only, as it is focusing on the academic processes. And we have different approval cycles as well in the AMS. So we had identified these of the important users of the AMS. If it is if university required in some other way approval cycle, some of the approval cycles needs to be, some of the stages in the approval cycle needs to be removed, or some may be required to be added. That is also can be done in the AMS very efficient and effective manner. So we had done that exercise for other universities too. So so we have tested code for the same. So we have different 6 kinds of AMS modules. That is student management module, a faculty management module, administration management module, e-learning. E-learning though is a part of course management module, but we have identified in a separate way because it is more beneficial to the student and faculty as well. So I'm focusing on this when we go to the later part in this PPT, and the examination module. So our university is currently now in nascent stage. So we will be focusing more on the student faculty management and the course management module. Later on, when we complete these activities, we'll move to the examination module. So in student management module, we have profile management, fees management, course management related to the students. And in faculty management, we have profile management, BOS management, class scheduling, attendance management, examination management. Though these modules have some their effective feature, but it is interdependent. So we have administration management module, course management module. In course management module, we have add course, manage course, offer course, that is course related activities. This is a combination of student and faculty management module although. And in examination module, we have facility to add the examination scheme according to the examination dates, then class details, assign marks and grade to the respective students, approval of result with through approval cycles, then grade card printing, mark sheet printing, and so on. So these are some of the identified users of the AMS. As I had already said, there are more users to be added, that can be added. If some users can be removed, that can be also removed. For example, we had given the admin rights to the college level college level nodal officer also, so that at college level the nodal officer can approve their respective students and approve their respective faculty, because college level admin knows their faculty and student very well than the university level admin, and university admin has the overall rights. So that is one of the example which we had already exercised in some of the universities. So let's move to our PPT. We have a different user roles like professor, head, admin, student, professor, head, admin, dean, student, guide, and faculty. They have their different roles. As we move ahead, we can elaborate on each of the role in detail. So in features, AMS will provide different kinds of features and many of the reports. And this report section also is easily customizable. If any university wants a particular report in particular format, they can just share the reports or share the report formats or the requirement with us. Will customize that report for the university and integrated in the AMS. So in features, I have to I have to just highlight few of the important features. I had already said we have approval cycles. So progress report approval by guide, by professor. Then we have printing facility as well, identity card printing. Once the student enter their details in the portal, student identity card can be printed from the system. Then after the completion of the examination module, student can take grade cards printed from the system. And the basic profile management also available, the course registration and management. And I'm highlighting the new feature, that is online payment gateway integration. As we move ahead, I'll just have elaborate on that feature more. And in reports, we have the reports like student registration report, how many students registered till now, how many students approved till now, academic year wise, as well as the reports related to the examination module, and so on. So this is the basic AMS process. I am not explaining each of the stage. As this is for your reference. We'll share this PPT with you now. So this is for you to understand what all the small steps in the AMS to follow. And when you see, when you explore the system more, now you will get to know how the system flow is and workflow of the system is. It starts with student approval, faculty approval, then faculty allocation process, guide allocation process, then approval cycles from faculty level as well as guide professor level. Then there is activity on the advisory committee that is done by the majorly at the head or professor level. Then it will come to the PPW process, which will followed by the ORW process. This is the big process. AMS. We have not included here the examination module process, as we are currently in the approvals and means registration and the course management step. So we have not included that here. So as a first step of the AMS process flow, the student faculty registration. So let's see how faculty can register in the system.
Faculty registration in AMS. Each faculty has to register in the University Academic Management System, which is activity. After registration in AMS, the admin should verify and approve the registered faculties. This AMS will help faculty in management of various academic courses. Click register. Enter email and retype email for permission. Go to email for OTP and enter OTP to the AMS for verification. Select user type as faculty. Make sure password be 7 or more than 7 characters long. Fill all the given required information. Aadhaar number is optional and it should be of 12 digits only. Click on Next. Click on Preview and verify all the given information.
So this is
Press Submit.
how the faculty
will get
can be
confirmation
registered
screen.
in the system. Prabhat, voice is audible in the video.
कार्तिकी डिस्ट्रैक्ट तो हो रहा है, आवाज थोड़ी कट के आ रही है.
अच्छा, but it's audible ना?
हाँ, ऑडिबल तो है. आपकी भी आवाज हल्की सी कटी है अभी. एक बार ऑडियंस से पूछ लेते हैं.
अच्छा.
मेंबर्स, आप लोगों को आवाज आ रही है?
Yeah, it's very clear.
Okay, then it is clear.
Okay, okay, then okay, then we'll proceed. Okay, sorry. This is the then after faculty
Faculty
approval,
registration.
how to assign new role to a faculty. Let's see how to do that. Then of the faculty, for the after faculty registration, let me add one more thing. It is already mentioned in the video, but one more time. After faculty registration, faculty will not be faculty student. Any user registration in AMS, they cannot be logged into the system directly. They have to wait till the admin approval. Once it is registered, now they get the message like that only. After admin approval only, you can log into the system. And after admin approval, user gets email notification on their email saying that admin had approved the details. Now you can log the system. So we had keep this authorization here because we don't want to any anonymous user to logged into the system directly. As admin knows his user, he can approve it if it is authorized, and if it is not, he feels it is not authorized, he can simply reject it. So they cannot move.
Sorry, we lost you, Kartiki. You are on mute, technically.
Okay. Now I am audible, na?
Yes, you are audible and
Yeah.
your screen is visible.
Okay, give me a minute, please. I'll just
Yes.
check my internet once again.
That will be better.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, after faculty approval, there are some multiple activities for the admin, college level admin, as well as we'll give right to the college level admin if they need it. Currently, we have given to the university level admin. The role of the admin is to add new roles to the faculty so that they can do the further activity in the AMS. So just see how to assign new role to the faculty.
Assign new roles to faculty in AMS. With the University Academic Management System, we can assign multiple roles to faculty if required. Click on Login. Enter admin credentials and press Login. Go to the left menu panel and click the new menu. Select Assign Role to Faculty. Select Appropriate Discipline from the drop-down list. Select Faculty Name from the drop-down list. Select User Type from the drop-down list. We can see new role will come against the faculty name with a remove button. If admin wants to remove the role of faculty, they need to press the remove button.
So this is how a role has to be assigned to the faculty. Let's see how to add a new head from the faculty. These are some of the preliminary activities that to be followed so that the faculty can add the courses in later stage.
Adding new head from faculty in AMS. In this video, we are going to learn how to assign HOD to each discipline under the University Academic Management System. Click on Login. Enter admin credentials and press Login. Go to the left menu panel and click the new menu. Select Add Head. Select Appropriate Discipline from drop-down list and click on Submit. List of all faculty members will appear with Add to Head button. Kindly press button to which faculty you want to make new head. The name of the new head will appear in the existing head table. We can also remove the head by pressing the Remove from the Head button.
Please everyone be on mute. Okay. Then this is the faculty process flow, basic faculty process flow. After approval and after assigning a role to the faculty, faculty gets into the system and then they can do their activity like add and offer courses in primary level. Then allocate the faculties, means allocate the course teachers accordingly. So majorly this work is for the head because they know their course teachers in respective courses. Then after that, they have to approve the respective faculty assigning to the respective courses. Then setting up a class and some part of then allocation of the grades. Grades means credits. Here we take it, we have mentioned as grades because some of the university nomenclature is like that. So setting up a class and assigning the credits for the courses, then approval of the same, then approval cycles will follow na, then approval of the same, then by the time the student had select the particular courses offered by the faculty, then the role of the head or role of the particular course teacher to approve that student who had selected their course. Then if a student is submitted, by the time parallel process is going on from the student end to submission of the PPW. So after submission of the PPW, role of the faculty is to assign approval of that PPW. Then simultaneously after PPW completion, not after PPW completion, next step for the faculty is to approve the ORW submitted by the student. And in between, there is one activity related to the advisory committee. Means if majorly that part is handled by the head or it is depending on the university who is handling that part of it. So from their login will activate that facility to that login only. And for faculty is to just confirm that they had, if they are part of a member advisory committee, be sure that their name is listed there so that it is easy for student to select, means to see that name in their respective, against their respective course. So that is one more additional work for the faculty, not work, but additional role for the faculty, responsibility for the faculty to check the advisory committee details for their respective courses. Then let's see how to add in this process. I had mentioned add an offer course by the faculty. So let's see how to add semester wise courses from the faculty logged in.
Add course in AMS. In this video, we'll see how to add courses in semester pattern. Go to BOS. Click on Add Course. Click on Click here to add courses. Select the degree as Others. You can see the list of previously added courses. Enter the course number. Enter the course name. Select the induction year. Click on Add Course. The course is added successfully. Let's check. Press Enter. And we can see that the course is added successfully. Now, click on Modify. Enter the credits for the course. Now, enter whether the course is offered in semester 1 or in semester 2. Enter the course type. Click on Modify. Now let's check, and we can see that the course is successfully modified.
I want to highlight one more point here. While adding the course and giving the credits, please be specific and be sure that you will be assigned or given the proper credits. For example, if there is a practicals and the theory part of a particular course, then credits will be assigned, but in respect to that, because this will reflect in the examination module, as you have not assigned the credits properly in this stage. if it is not assigned for the practical marks, then while assigning the marks in the examination module, the faculty can only see the theory part, only see activated part is for entering the theory marks, not the practical, because it is not mentioned here that it will has a practical also. So be particular while entering the credits in this part, though it can be editable from the backend and the developer end, but still if you are sure at this stage only, then the further activity will be cut down. So now let's see how to add a course year wise.
Add course in AMS. In this video, we'll see how to add courses in yearly pattern. Go to BOS. Click on Add Course. Click here to add courses. Select the degree. You can see the list of previously added courses. Now, enter the course number. Enter the course name. Select the course year. Select the induction year. Click on Add Course. The course is added successfully. Now click on the URL and press enter. Let's check whether the course is added or not. And we can see that the course is added successfully. Now click on Modify. We have to enter the credits for this course. Enter the theory credits. Enter the practical credits. Now we have to enter the course type. Click on Modify. Let's check whether the course is modified or not. And we can see that the course is successfully modified.
After addition of the course will be offered. And one more submission here, the BOS functionality, that is addition of the course and assigning the grades to the course. This BOS functionality majorly available, we had made available for the professor login, professor or head login. Faculty can offer the courses, but the main addition of the courses and all be controlled by the head of the department, that is professor. So let's see how to offer a course.
Offer course in AMS. In this video, we'll see how to offer courses in the AMS. Go to BOS. Click on Offer Course. You will see the list of offered courses. Now, select the degree. Select the academic year. Select the semester. Select the institute. Click on Add Courses Offered. You will see the list of modified courses. Select the course. Click on the arrow. Now, click on Save Changes. Click on OK. You can see that the course is offered successfully.
Yeah, this is the offer course functionality. Let's see how to allocate a faculty to a particularly offered course.
Allocate faculty in AMS. In this video, we'll see how to allocate faculty in AMS. Go to BOS. Click on Allocate Faculty. You will see the list of offered courses. Now select the course for which you want to allocate. Click on Allocate. You can allocate course leader and course associates from the same discipline, from other discipline, and also from other college. Select the name. Now, click on Allocate. You will see that the course leader and associate are successfully allocated. Now let's see for other discipline and college. Click on Allocate. Click on Choose from other discipline. Select the discipline. Select the name. Click on Submit. And it is successfully allocated. Click on Allocate. Click on Choose from other college. Select the discipline. Select the college. Select the name. Click on Submit. And you can see that it is successfully allocated. You can also delete the records if you want. And you can also choose to add more course associates and also reset the values.
You can already see in the video that a faculty can be allocated from different discipline, from different colleges also. And if you want for a course, there are minimum, I think so, 4 to 5 faculties options we had given here. If there are more, there is an option at the end to add more faculties for a particular course. So that option also available. So let's see how to allocate guide after allocating the faculty.
Allocate guide in AMS. In this video, we'll see how to allocate guide in AMS. Click on BOS. Go to Allocate Guide. Select the enrollment year. Select the degree. Click on Submit. You will see the list of students. Now go to the student for whom you want to allocate the guide. Click on Allocate. Select the name. Click on Allocate. The guide is allocated successfully. You can also allocate guide from some other discipline and college. Click on Choose from other discipline. Select the discipline. Select the name. Click on Submit. The guide is allocated successfully. Go back and check. Click on Submit. And we can see that the guide is allocated successfully. You can also delete the records if you want, and the records are deleted successfully.
This is the guide allocation. Now we just see the student process flow in the AMS. They create their logged in, means they are registered in the system. Then after admin approval, they logged into the system, add the basic qualification details, online payment of the semester fees. For this, currently we had just given an interface for a student where they can enter their total fees detail and the reference number and the date and select the year and the semester. Manually they have to put this, and we have just provided this interface to having just an additional information. But once the university is willing to take the online payment gateway that is provided by PayGov and the ICAR, if they are willing to take that from ICAR, there are some documents that need to be signed by the university and submitted to ICAR, and ICAR and the online payment gateway is directly integrated with the AMS, so that once the online fees paid by the student, that will automatically reflect in the AMS. So that's the next stage. But currently, student has to enter manually these details. And they can enter the reference number where the reference number column is, and if required, the admin can approve the same at their end for the more information. Then after entering the basic fees detail and the basic qualification, that is basic profile, updated the basic profile details of the student, then they go to the selection of the courses, that is minor, major, others, and there are different categories. I want to highlight that point also here. Major, minor, others, then there are also some more categories available. When you when you explore the system, you can understand that categories. If other than that there are any other categories, or you want to remove some existing categories, just let us know. We'll do it from here, so that customize it from here, so that it will be matched to the university requirement. Then after selection of the courses, but they can register for that selected courses and submit the roster form after faculty approval. After faculty approves that submitted courses, they can submit the roster form. Then the advisory committee details, they have to only check and from their login key the proper advisory member is displaying in their profile or not. If not, they have to just contact to their HOD, and their HOD has to recheck in the system. Then after that, the PPW process, and then at the end of the curriculum, the ORW process. That is the basic student process flow in the AMS. So let's see how a student can be registered in the system.
Register as student. Each student has to register in University Academic Management System, which is one-time activity. After registration in AMS, the college admin will approve student using admin rights. AMS will help student in many ways like profile management, fee submission, details, etc. Student can submit their theses, can select courses segregated in major and minor disciplines, can request for certificates. Click on register. Enter email and retype email. Check email for OTP and enter OTP to the AMS for verification. Select user type as student. Fill all the given mandatory information. Click on Next. Click on Preview and verify all the given information. Press Submit. Student will get confirmation message and confirmation email regarding registration.
You had seen the message, admin approval will be sent to your email shortly. So as I had already mentioned, after student registration also, student will not be get into the system directly. He has to wait, he or she has to wait for admin to approve their details, and then they're logged into the system. So we have a new module that is called attendance module. We are in the process of development of this module. It is just in the nascent stage. We are just adding some more details. So once it is available, it will be provided to the university in their AMS login directly. But currently we are working on it, but I want to just introduce it to the some of the features of it. If university has other ideas or some other requirement in this regard, so we'll welcome that, so that we'll do modification accordingly in this module. So this basic feature is used to identify the irregularities in the academic interest of the students, and it's reduces the manual work of maintaining the records on paper and generates the relevant report accordingly. So manual interventions is minus here, and you have the online attendance for each student through this system, as you had assigned the classes online. It's one more important feature highlight here is automatically calculate the presence percentage of the student based on he and she can allowed it to sit in the exam, or based on that he can she can be download the hall ticket for the exam. And then if the attendance percentage is less, the student can be blacklisted and will not be allowed to sit in the exam. So it is interconnected with the examination module. Then we have online payment gateway. This is the new feature, online payment gateway. It facilitates online fees payment. It module will be available for the integration in all the university as per the confirmation and requirement from the university. We had already shared an introductory mail with the required documents with all the universities. If you required, we'll share that documents once again. And we also communicate the awareness to the respective portals about the new feature of this. Beneficiaries are students, faculties, alumni. Services we provide, this module this feature is provided like admission fees, donation, penalties, hostel charges, library fees, and so on, based on the university requirement. And payment options, almost all payments options are available, as you can see: NEFT, RTGS, cash card, prepaid wallet, debit card, credit card, IMPS, UPI also. So these are some of the actionables. As I had already mentioned, introductory mail shared with all universities, with your university also, with important documents that to be signed, that to be filled and signed by the university. And for example, we had keep there in that document some of the data are pre-filled, like server requirement, technical details that are pre-filled that need not to be filled by the university. And we had filled the ICAR details there. That is, we had taken ICAR as a university who is taking the online payment gateway. So if your university want to opt for that, you just replace the ICAR name by your university, ICAR name and ICAR details by your university. After filling up the forms, you just shared with us the AMS team or the NEHAP component. You can share the documents on the NEHAP email ID. Then ICAR will coordinate with the PEGOF people, and the integration of the AMS, integration of the online payment gateway will be done with the AMS within 21 days. So that is some of the actionables. University just have an important role to fill the document get it signed and weighted by, if required, weighted by their financial team, and then send it back to us. That is the role of the university, nothing else. Yeah. Then we have one more new feature in, maybe you are already aware of it because I had shown it in many of my trainings. So that is the AMS Help Desk. If user faces any queries, you have the, I'll just show it. I go back to my previous slide to, here you can see in the screenshot, I have taken a screenshot from the demo site. So as here you can see the help desk button. In all university logged in, there is help desk button, as well as this help desk button also available. If the user has the login problem, it is also available on the AMS website, university AMS website, in the menu panel. So you can just click on the help desk button, and a screen will open to raise a issue or raise a ticket. From there, their user can raise issue or mention issue there, attach a error screenshot and submit it. So if a user want to track the particular issue raised by today, then they can go and check the status. The developer gets that issue at their logged in, and they just work on the issue and update the status accordingly in the help desk. So that is the easy solution to track and to get the issue resolved in the AMS. So whatever videos I had shown right now, it is available to you to just refer it. It is just available at the https auams.in at this website under Learn to Use AMS section. These videos are available. Although the reference manual are also available at this sub menu, and the AMS presentation will make it available at the presentation section. So that's all from my side. Now over to you, Rama, if we have any queries, and we'll just have a question answer session.
Yeah, thank you so much, Karthikeyan. Users are requested to kindly ask questions if they have any.
Madam, good afternoon.
Madam, this
Yes,
is
sir.
Dr. Srinivas from Veterinary College, Korutla. Can you actually, instead of showing all this general, can you show a separate presentation like thing for the administration separate and faculty member separate? Because administrator role is different and faculty member role is different in this AMS.
Yes, sir. Regarding this, we have already created the reference manuals for separate for faculty, for admin, and for the students. So you can go through those manuals, those reference manuals. That is available on your website.
Okay. No, if any, it is like a demo there.
Not demo there. Yeah, kind of like complete functionality which is related to the admin. So all the admin related things will be available in the admin manual, and all the activities related to the students will be available in the students manual.
Okay. Madam, good afternoon.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Madam, so far you explained all the things, because what happens to Madam in the working in the veterinary colleges, administration is admin is different and the faculty is completely different, and the professors or the teachers, they're having only role that they can offer they can evaluate the course, they can teach the course, they can evaluate the course, they can take the assignment and they can submit it. This is the only three options from us, from our side. Remaining the student enrollment, fees, and as well as their activities, allotment, and just updation of the fees, all those things, it is not in our hands. That's why there is a lot of ambiguity when you open the system, what to do, what not to do.
Yeah, sir, actually, we have created a common system. Now you are requested to go through the system and tell us your customization requirements, and according to that, we will customize the system.
Okay, madam, if you are going for the portal,
Yes,
majority of the things are not in your hands, and it will we cannot access, we cannot update, and because it goes to the admin. And only thing is a teacher can take the course, just evaluate the papers, give the question paper, and we can give the assignment, and we can submit it. Only that much role is there in the with the professor or the assistant professor. Remaining things, we don't have any approval or any thing to just to update in the system. We don't have any role actually. That's why I think is first we have to enroll all the students, because each year there will be a 4 to 5 courses. First year, second year, third year, fourth year, final year. Like that, each courses will be having the different faculty, different departments. And so all these things, when we in the portal we inquired, it is not there actually. If we come to the clinics, again the clinical cases are different, because it is completely practical oriented. Practical orientation, that updation is not there in the just for the medicine, surgery, or gynecology. All those things are there. That's why it is a lot of confusion whether what to update, what not to update. If you want to update, we don't have any control on the system.
Okay. So, sir, have you identified the master trainers for the AMS? If you have appointed the master trainers now, so we can have a separate meeting with them where we can discuss the customization requirements. And according to that, like whatever the process flow going on in your university, now we will make the system according to that.
Okay, madam. That is so that will be better, madam.
Yes, sir. So, sir, you are requested to just go through the system, and after that, let us know what functionality you want to be in the system and what functionality you want to remove.
Just, madam, example, madam. Thing is, suppose BVSC 5 years. 5 years students will be there. First year, second year, third year, fourth year. And first is the...
Yes, sir. Sir, your mic is muted. Kindly unmute your mic.
Good afternoon to madam.
Yeah, hi, good afternoon, sir.
I'm Dr. Kishan Kumar, Associate Dean, College of Fishery Science, Pebble, madam. So this College of Fishery Science, when compared with the veterinary system, is because our students has to attend fisheries work experience program also.
Okay, sir.
Our pattern is different, madam. Can you conduct some?
Yes, in fisheries there is a semester pattern, and in veterinary there is an annual system pattern. So we have already taken care of the things in the AMS system.
Yeah, we need a separate session to train up our.
Sir, in this system we have already taken care of it.
Yeah. Please note, madam.
Yes, sir.
Madam, good afternoon. This is Dr. Ashok, Veterinary College, Warangal.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yeah, hi, madam. Madam, I'm unable to log in. Actually, long back I have registered my user ID and password, and AMS has approved it already.
Yes, sir.
But actually, from today onwards, I'm trying to open the AMS system. I'm unable to log in. I don't know the reason. And when I'm clicking my university website, what link you have created in your AMS system is also not functioning.
So can you share the screen with us? If you forget your login credentials, then we have this provision format password.
Yes, I can tell you, madam. Can I tell you my login ID?
No, sir. Sir, you have my email ID. You have our email ID. Now kindly write your issue with us, and I'll share the login credential with you.
Okay. So new credentials you are going to create.
No, previous. I'll provide you the previous one.
Okay. Madam, another doubt. So we have created. We are all master trainers.
Yes, sir.
Today, whatever the staff we are attending in this Zoom meeting now, we are all master trainers from our university. So the problem is we can create credentials from our end.
Credential, what kind of credentials, sir?
Login ID, login ID and password.
Sir, actually voice is echoing. Can you, I guess you have joined from 200.
1 minute, madam.
I think two mobiles are logging in from one room.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. No, sir. Signal అంటే రెండు మూడు అందరం ఒకే దగ్గర కూర్చోన్నాం అందువల్ల
So you can write mail to us where
Rama, I think so. Sir needs the admin sub-admin login credentials.
Yes. That's what I'm saying. I'll write on the mail.
Ma'am, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Is it
You
clear
are.
now? But actually, this kind of problem is since long back. We are keep on telling the same question, and this meeting ends exactly at this point only. You are saying that you just write a mail.
No, sir. Even I have shared the login credential of all the admin and sub-admins. I have shared the mail. So if you didn't receive it, you are requested to just write a mail to us on support ID, which is support.auams@icr.gov.in. Kartiki, can you write in the chat box?
Yeah, I'm dropping.
Please, sir, you are requested to drop a mail to us, and we will revert back to you on that, and we'll provide you all the login credentials.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, good afternoon, madam. This is Dr. Shivakumar.
Good afternoon, sir.
Ma'am, we have been listening to this basic training since 2020. I think this is my 6th or 7th training. Actually, we have been asking for an advanced training on the AMS, but we could not get that advanced training, madam.
Sir, for advanced training, you must start the system in your university. Now, if you logged in your dashboard, hardly 200 students or the total faculty registered. So first we have to complete the initial stage. After that, we can move forward to the advanced stage now.
Okay. Actually, our problem is being a master trainer. We must know what is we must know in and out of the AMS. Then only we can go ahead, madam. Otherwise, with only basic training, we cannot involve all the students.
Sir, we can have one advanced training for the master trainers only. You just share your comfortable date with us, and on that date, we will organize that advanced training.
Madam, not that advanced training. Actually, what Dr. Shivakumar was asking, we want an on-site demo. That would be better actually.
Sir, on your
and one more thing, actually, even in the madam, actually, when we open when we the menu, actually, see, for if it is a college admin, it should immediately display if any student requests are pending or not, and this menu is if you click registration, blocking, deleting, something like.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
It should first.
Yes, so kindly give your suggestion to us, and according to that, we will make the provision. Your ideas are.
Sir, my submission here,
Yeah,
that menu, that options are already available under new menu. Under new menu, there are sub menus for the student, sub menus for the faculty. When you go to the student sub menu, you will see how many students are registered but not approved, and how many students, when you go to the faculty sub menu, you can see how many faculties are registered and not approved. So admin can approve from there, and many of the faculty members and officials required on-site training. So just provide the particular suitable date from your end. We'll arrange that training for you in upcoming weeks. Okay. Yeah.
Madam, for better clarification, my request, better to conduct offline training program, madam. It may be more useful and more effective also to clarify all these doubts and all. At least faculty wise.
Rama,
offline
I need to talk to Goel sir, na?
Yeah, Kartiki, actually, what you are saying?
Offline training in person.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, we can. Definitely, we can.
Okay, then we'll have word with Goel sir and get back to you.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
There are 3 faculties: veterinary, dairy, and fishery. So faculty wise, you conduct offline training program.
Kishan.
Sir.
Hello.
Sir.
So I'll interfere here. So we have listened so far their small demonstration demo. So even out of 4 or 5 classes, we are unable to register the students and staff, which is a basic thing required. After that only we can go for any other functionalities. So we are not even registered, not even 200 students and some of the staff members. So better, let us have a campaign of only registering staff and students first. Within 10 days or something, let us have a time. Before that, we will do all the registrations of staff and students. If we are successful, then we can have a small, again, a meeting for any clarifications or doubts. Afterwards, again, we can go ahead. It is a step by step. In one class or one session, we cannot include all the functionalities. Let's go for
Yes, sir, you are right. We should go step by step. I agree with you.
Sir, I'm a small submission, sir.
Would you try to download it?
I'm Dr. Uday Kumar. Hello.
Uday, please.
Sir, actually, instead of implementing in whole university, it may be better to take a small unit like a college and implement there, and all pitfalls can be identified, and that successful implementation can be extended to all other colleges and whole university. So better start from a small unit like a small college, maybe Rajendra Nagar College, etc., etc. That is my suggestion.
If we can register all the students and staff from all the colleges, what is the problem in registering?
We can register, sir.
Because our staff was
initially it can be started.
One course is from another college. No problem. We can register initially. Let us start registration of students and staff first, which we will take 10 days time. By 31st, we will finish off all the registration. We can go. Hello.
Yes, sir. So your suggestion will be the great. If we'll start with the registration, then after registration, we'll show the actual demo of the system, live demo of the system, how the register faculty will take an example of one faculty and how they can offer the courses, and we can just take out one student from your university, how they can select the register courses. So that will be more useful then.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's why now
okay, sir. We'll have that time frame for registration. That would be better.
Yeah. Now let us take 10 days. Today is the 20th, 31st. Will be the, let us take the 31st as the final date. Let us register all the staff and students. And I request all the associate deans to allot one teacher to one classroom, first year, second year, or 2 teachers to one classroom, and see that they are the students of that particular year of that college. So, and associate deans of that college should coordinate and see that all the students and staff by this month. And there may be problems, you may be facing problems. Meanwhile, also you can contact me, or you can contact any organizers of this NAP or anybody. We can have again, or if any problem is in registration, we can have again a small session after 5 days or 1 week or 10 days. If we are successful in registration, it's okay. But if there are any problems, we can approach them and get them clarified. Uday Kumar?
Sir,
I feel that much is enough for this session.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Of faculty and students. It should be 100% registration. Because see, staff and students are not registered, we cannot progress for any function.
Yes, sir. They are main users for the system.
Sir,
You want to throw any light on the registration of staff and students? You can tell us.
Sir, no, sir. Smart request. Sir, actually, in the dashboard of AMS dashboard, sir, dashboard AMS dashboard lo మన యూనివర్సిటీ వెబ్సైట్ PVNRVU.
Yeah, now we'll okay.
when I'm clicking the button, the page is not opening. So adi man first hurdle sir.
Okay.
So మన స్టాఫ్ ని గానీ స్టూడెంట్ ని గానీ ఎన్రోల్ చేయాలంటే మన లింక్ లోకి వెళ్ళాలి. మన లింక్ లోకి వెళ్ళలేకపోతున్నాం.
Sir,
Ma'am.
just submission here. We have our security level certificate that is expired and it is in the process of renovation. So that's why that page is getting error. You have to click on the advance button and then click on the proceed so that you can go to the particular website.
Yeah, I'm doing that, madam. Even then, I'm unable to enter inside. That's the reason why, from our university side, we are unable to using this AMS system since long back.
Sir, I'll just show it.
Ashok, it is opening, but your system settings must allow the advanced setting and proceed. If that is your security is allowing, your antivirus system or whatever security settings, if they allow, it is allowing. At first instance, it is not allowing. It is insecure, showing insecure. Then you have to say proceed in advance. Then we are able to get it.
Okay, sir. Okay, I will try. Just now, but even then I try.
PVNRVU.
If my screen is visible, you have to go to advance.
Yes.
If you have to go to advance, then you have to just click to here, continue to PVNSI unsafe. So you will go to this website.
Yeah.
Okay. You have to follow these steps.
Okay.
Any queries further?
Sir, this is from Fisheries College, sir. Madam, I just wanted to know whether you are given a contact email ID for any queries and all. But can we get any contact number, madam? Because small issues like what sir has mentioned, so that can be easily and immediately can be resolved at the moment. Because mail means definitely it will be answered. But if you can get certain contact number, that will be of most useful, madam.
I think so. Prabhat's contact number is with University Master Trainer or Prabhat, your contact number is with
so
them,
my
na?
number is available. So if you have any issue, any difficulty, you can call me. I'm just writing my number into chat.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
And I'm
Prabhat is at NAM. Prabhat sits at NAM. So he will be more relevant person to help you out.
So my number and my mobile number also provided to the group. So if you are having any difficulties, so I'm available. Even I have visited university and same parallelly veterinary college. So if any requirement, I will become over there at any time. There will be no issue.
Ma'am, I have a small query.
Yes, sir.
So after enter all the faculty details into the AMS, what's the next step, ma'am? So because once I enter into the AMS system, yes.
You are doing registration. You have to submit the registration form. After registration, admin has to approve your detail. Then only you can log into the system.
So, madam, how about this class schedules and courses? Who will allot the course details?
That is after admin approval, you can log into the system and you can do the further activities. Class scheduling and all, you can do it after logged into the system. Means you have to wait till admin approval.
Who is admin for college staff, madam?
College master trainer.
Dean of the college
master trainer. College nodal officer. I can see college nodal officer. Yes.
College nodal officer.
And for university nodal officer. Yeah.
Okay.
So who is our nodal officer?
Rama, my request is to once again share the master trainer, means admin, sub-admin login with the university officials so that they can have a more idea.
Yeah, sure. I'll do that.
Yeah.
Raghu, my nodal officer evaru? Raghu, are you there?
Okay, I'll talk to him in person.
Sir, if we do not have any query, we can close your session with your permission.
Dean sir.
Dean sir?
Sir is not available, I think so.
Acha.
Swapna is there or not?
He is on leave, sir, today.
Okay.
Sir, my request is few are new and few are already attended training. So university nodal officer, college nodal officers, all sir details in the group if it is shared. So it is better to interact, and if any queries are there that can be shared, sir, that will be very useful, sir.
Yeah, also I'm thinking about that only because many of the faculty members, respective faculty members, don't know who is the master trainer and who is the nodal officer. So my request is to just share the file with all the members so that they have the clear idea, and we'll sharing the admin sub-admin details with you by today or tomorrow so that you will have that list as well. Rama, while sharing the list, please keep Prabhat and me CC so that for us to be
definitely.
to coordinate. Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you. So can we then Uday sir, can we close the session? Dean sir, I think so not available.
Yes, sir came at. Dean sir is available.
Dean sir?
So I'm logging from other mobile.
Acha. Okay.
So I missed the last part, what you said.
Sir, I requested to just share the master trainers, who all the master trainers and who all the nodal officer, that list with your group, so that faculty members will have the clear idea who is the master trainer or nodal officer for which college. And Rama will be sharing the admin and sub-admin details college wise. In today or tomorrow, so that they will get both the information simultaneously, and if they have any queries they can coordinate Prabhat accordingly.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So I got your point. So we'll send you all the college-wise admins and master trainers list. Okay. But my next target is all the staff and students must be registered by the end of this month. So for that, I will tell my all the staff to take the task and finish up the registrations, because by next meeting, all the staff and students must be registered, and if there are any problems, they must be resolved with regard to registration. Then we can go for the other functions. I think our staff also very clear now. I will give guidelines to my staff to do so. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Prabhat and Karthik.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all for the support and active participation. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Kartiki. Thank you, Rama. Thanks for your support. Thanks, sir.
Thank you so much. Thanks to all.